This video gives step-by-step instruction on how to create a new nonlinear minor material item in the OpenPoint system. First of all, go to the main menu, Components, then Materials. And in the Materials screen, you're going to click on the orange plus icon to create a new material. Your unit code is whatever your material item number is. And for the description, fill in whatever the item is. In OpenPoint, we suggest for a minor material, you start your description with either minor or MM to designate that this is a minor material. And then at the end of the description, to put in how this material will be charged in your accounting system. So in this instance, 80% of the purchase of this UGuard will go to stores clearing or account 163, and 20% will go to underground line maintenance, which is 594 in Class AB utilities. Then the linear field will be filled in as not linear because this is not a linear type of item. And the unit of measure and purchased unit of measure will both be each, even though you may not be issuing this material through the work order system. The system that this is related to is the electric system, and the category field for minor materials is typically left blank. Then, because this is a minor material, you won't want to track the inventory on this material because you aren't going to do a physical count of it at the end of the year. At least most utilities choose that option. So we'll turn off the Track Inventory button and create. Now in the Material Overview screen, in the middle here, we don't have this material associated with a warehouse yet. Most utilities like to create a different warehouse for minor material versus major material. So since this is a minor material item, we want to choose the minor material electric warehouse and create. If we go back to the material overview screen, we will now see that minor material warehouse associated with this minor material code. In the material attributes screen, there's really nothing else to fill in this field unless you want to put a note of some sort for what this material is. Most utilities choose not to put anything else in this material attributes screen. So at the end of the year, you wouldn't be doing a physical count on your minor material. You would only be using the system for purchases if you want to track your inventory purchases on minor material, but yet not have all of the counts and dollars updated in the inventory system. You'd simply order the material through the purchase order system, but then don't do any other transactions through the purchase order system on the minor materials. So that's it on how to set up a minor material item in OpenPoint.